And now, hopefully, something that will make all of this easier. Now that you know triads and you know your scales, let's put those two things together to create our diatonic harmony. If we have an established major key, such as the last excerpt we just looked at in C major, we don't need to analyze every triad's third and fifth. We know that if there are no accidentals and we have the correct root, what the quality of the triad is going to be depending on its scale degree. Let me explain. We have a C major scale, and when we have a piece in C major, we will actually be using the triads built on all of those scale degrees. There they are. And once you know the type of triad on each scale degree in a major key, then you know what the quality of the triad is going to be when you find out the root of that triad. For instance, if we have a measure with the root of C in a C major triad, well, that is scale degree 1, 3, and 5 in C major. We know that's going to be major, so we're going to use a capital 1 Roman numeral because that is a major triad. Let's take a look at the next one, D, F, and A. Well, in the D major scale, there is an F sharp, so this third has been lowered from that. So DFA is a minor triad. So that's going to be lowercase 2. Next, we have E, G, and B. Well, in the E major scale, there's a G sharp. This third has been lowered. So again, that's minor. And that is lowercase 3. Next, we have F, A, and C. Well, in the F major scale, we have an F, A, and C, so we know this is going to be major. So scale degree 4 is going to be an uppercase 4. Likewise, with G, B, and D, that is uppercase because it is major. And I will go ahead and let you know something that whenever you have a scale degree 5, whether what key it's in, major or minor, scale degree 5 will always be major. Scale degree 6, A, C, and E. Well, an A major scale would have C sharp. That third has been lowered, so that's minor. And lowercase. Notice all the way up through this point, we've just had major and minor triads, and that's it. Well, we finally have a different one. Because notice this B, it'd be a B major scale. And a B major scale would have a D sharp and an F sharp. This third has been lowered and the fifth has been lowered. So this is diminished. So use a lowercase 7 and the small little circle to assert that it is a diminished triad. So all of our major keys, if we have an excerpt that does not have an accidental, we'll be using those Roman numerals. Let's do one more so you can see how it applies to a different key. Here, let's use bass clef. And let's use E flat. I'm going to skip down the octave here to save us some room. So there's the E flat major scale, and let's build triads. There they are. Let's make sure we have the correct types of triads. Well, if we're in E flat major, and we have scale degree 1, 3, and 5 from E flat major, we know that's major. F, A, C is major. We have F, A flat, C, that third's been lowered. That's definitely minor. G, B flat, D, that's definitely minor. That's a major triad, B flat, and D, and F. C, E flat, and G is minor. Let's check this diminished. D, F, and A flat. Well, a D major triad would have an F sharp and an A natural. That third and fifth has been lowered. That's definitely a diminished triad. So hopefully that will make it a lot easier. All you have to identify is the root of the triad, and you should be able to know the type of triad it is depending on what scale degree it is.